Jurassic Hunt, the series. What's Shaximiao Formation water?
Let me explain. This Shaximiao Formation water is actually native to China from Middle to Late Jurassic epoch, and animals were to drink.
Because the high proportion of an unknown tiny parasite species coming out of water.
He's accidentally swallowed an unknown parasite species. It traveled down to esophagus and into your stomach.
Then the tiny parasite are not survived in stomach acid and break down the muscle and skin violently.
And eventually the Shaximiao Formation parasite spread out territory for all habitat.
Stage 1. Incubation of chronic wasting disease.
Over in 18 to 24 months. The animal's been badly infected, unfortunately. The CWD are not native to China. It caused the protein called prion getting misfolded.
And caused the chain reaction where a bunch of proteins get misfolded and mutated in the body. These proteins make the brain cells of animals break.
This animal's is already incurable, she will die. It's like they're not in control of their bodies.
The animals lose all sense of fear and start making friends with predators,
putting themselves in extreme danger. Stage 2.
First symptom. Isolate as soon as possible any bodily fluids, waters, or even soil the infected come in contact with is dangerous. The cruel part is that the symptoms usually only appear after 2 years, and by then,
the disease has spread throughout the entire territory through bodily fluids. The prions can even persist in the environment for several years, contaminating it. Stage 3. Reduction to instinct.
This is no longer your loved one. Sick animals are known to attack trees, inanimate object, or any sugar of pronounced danger. Basically, the animals turn into zombies.
They keep stumbling and walking in circles because their brains don't work properly anymore.
So if animals walk in an area where a sick animal roamed a few years ago,
and it picks up the prions, that deer can also turn into a zombie. Final stage, final moments. Nothing remains but suffering. Maybe what lies beyond will be kinda hunt this death. Within 6 to 12 months of the first symptom appearing, it leads the poor animals to their death after has died in a disease. But the black inversion, obviously, there's also black inversion underneath this dinosaur.
And not because the CWD, but animals accidentally eat a tiny parasite species and dinosaur turn into zombies, but after the stage 4. But wait until dying 1 hour then, there's also black inversion underneath this dinosaur. And a lot of dinosaur died in a disease has black inversion underneath this dinosaur. And a reptile and a fish will die in 1 hour too. Jurassic Hunt, the series. Only in theaters.
May 6, 2025.